This video will show you how to deploying the Intersight Assist on VMware FileWare. The Intersight Assist is used to manage devices and applications that don't have the Intersight device connector embedded. These are mostly third-party devices like NetApp, Pure, Hitachi, vCenter, and others. You can claim only one Intersight Assist per Intersight account, but multiple assists can be managed under a single account for several locations, even across different networks. The Intersight Assist is provided as a pre-configured virtual appliance, VM image, by Cisco. There are 3 deployment modes. Intersight Assist requires a SaaS account, connected virtual appliance, on-prem with some SaaS features, and private virtual appliance for air-gapped environments. This video focuses on deploying the Intersight Assist. The most important step during an installation is DNS setup. You will need to create an FQDN, including a reverse lookup and DNS alias. Without that pointer record, your installation will not succeed, as this is how we determine the host name during the installation. After you have correctly set up your DNS, you can go ahead and download the latest OVA from software.cisco.com. Then you need to upload the OVA to your vCenter environment. You can choose to deploy an OVF template, and here you can paste the URL to your OVA or upload from a local file. And then you can provide the name for the virtual machine. You choose the location. Then you can choose the compute resource on which you would like to deploy the VM. And then you can choose here which configuration you'd like to use. It will use the smallest option. Here, you can select the data store. Then, you can choose the network which you want the VM to use, and you only need one network interface which needs to be routable. Here you can provide all the specifications or customizations for the VM image. You can provide the IP address, the network mask, the default gateway, the DNS domain, and the DNS server. Now, this is very important. After you make sure all your network and DNS settings are correct, you can enter the administrator password and an NTP server. You can choose to modify the disk size for some of the disks. You are now presented with an overview of the settings that you configured, and the installation will start. I've speed up this process. After the installation of the OVF is complete, you can go to your VM and you can power it on. As it's powering on, you can open up the web console. And I recommend to make sure that the host name you're seeing here on the login screen is indeed the host name that you configured in a DNS server. This assures you that your DNS setup is indeed correct. Next, you can log in and try to do a connectivity test to make sure it can reach all the required services in your network. After the test is completed successfully, open up Browse to the URL of your newly deployed Assist. This is going to bring you to the setup page of the appliance. First of all, you will need to claim this Assist into your Intersight account. Now, in my lab, I don't use direct connection to the internet, so I need to configure a proxy and enable the proxy server. You can fill in your proxy host name and IP address. After save, you will see it now has connection to the internet. Now provide you with a device ID and a claim code. You can grab the device ID from your Assist. And after you log into your Intersight account, where you want to claim the Assist, next, this is a network requirement check and on all this green. Then you can change the Intersight Assist internal network, and it is used internally if you don't have any devices outside of the Assist that are in the same range. Otherwise, you need change it avoid overlapping, then the Assist will not be able to reach out to these devices. Then, need in an hour complete this installation. And we're almost at the end of our video. The installation is nearly completed. Now just refresh the page and log in it. You will see the login screen of your Intersight Assist, and it's claimed into your Intersight account. This is all what we have for the installation of the Intersight Assist and on-prem connectivity.